What is the relationship between football and investment? We know that a football team has strikers and defenders. So, how does this apply to investment? Which funds are the strikers and which ones are the defenders? Industry expert Mr. Hariharan will enlighten you with a brilliant analysis. Hari, over to you.
I know India happens to be a cricket crazy country, but football is also a popular game in India. So if you look at football, it's a very, very exciting game. And the objective of the game is very simple. It is to score more goals than the opponent, isn't it? So only when you score goals more than the opponent is when you win the match. If there are no goals scored, then the match is a tie. So to win the match, you'll have to score goals. And you'll have to score goals more than the opposing team. And understandably, therefore, in a football match, the focus is on goal scoring, isn't it? And consequently, the focus, therefore, is also on the attackers or the strikers or the forwards, right? So these are what they are called as. So these are the attackers or the strikers or the forwards. So the focus is on those kind of set of players, a Lionel Messi, a Cristiano Ronaldo. So the focus is always there. However, if you now evaluate, an important element of the game goes unnoticed at times, which is defense. Now, why it is important is just imagine that you have a team which is full of very popular strikers, and you have created this team assuming that you will score more goals. You will. But if the opposing team also has good strikers, there's always a chance that the opposing teams can score more than what you have scored. So you may end up scoring 5 goals, 6 goals, but if their attack is also strong, they can also end up scoring 7, 8 goals. So despite scoring goals, you might lose. Okay. And if you look at all tournaments that have happened in football, while the focus is on score goaling, the equally important element that is always unnoticed is the defense. And if you think of teams which have won in the past tournaments, you can't win a tournament without having a solid defense. You may win a couple of matches with good attacks, but if you want to win a tournament, you will have to have a mix of attack and defense. So defense is important because that is the one that provides cushion from the opponent scoring too many goals. Right? In the world of investment also, most investors are focused on the attack part of the portfolio, which is the equity part of the portfolio. It is important, very important, because that is what is going to take us to the goals. But we also know that equity markets run in cycles. And therefore, if market corrects, is there a cushion? Is there a protection? So you need stability to the portfolio. You need a Rahul Dravid in the team, and which is what debt will do. So debt from a portfolio construct perspective is very, very important. While all the running will be done by equity in times of downturn, your portfolio has to be cushioned, it has to be protected. And that's where you need stability in the portfolio, which is what debt will provide.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.